Hello, and welcome to my next video. This is the Diamond Art Club that I mentioned in my first ever video, if you happen to watch that. And I am currently zoomed out slightly, so I hope this isn't distorted at all on my camera. And all I did was open the box so far. So this is the Fearless Familiar, and I just wanted to open it up on to show first impressions, I guess. I am new to diamond painting. This is my first ever order from Diamond Art Club. And so far, all I've tried so far is the Amazon one from Amazon. So there's the box. I did order a couple extra items, so I'm hoping they're in here, because I wanted free shipping, so I just added on to two things. I got this double-sided release paper, which is gonna be awesome. And I got this little bottle of diamond painting adhesive, and that's it for the box. So I'm actually kind of curious to find out what's in there. And in here it's just, there's a little, I guess, applicator. And then the adhesive. I figured that this might come in handy because I do have a couple of paintings coming from AliExpress. And I'm not too sure what the adhesive is going to be like on those. So I wouldn't want, all the diamonds to start falling all over the place. So yeah, that's why I got this. And then for this, I just wanted it instead of the plastic sheets. So I'm interested to find out if there is a difference between, the drills. There's a little bit of a bend here, which is weird. It was in a box. I guess let's hope that it's not damaged. And I just have these green tapes down just to remind myself where my ends are. Okay, so it looks like it can open here. Oh, 1 second. Okay. Okay, so that's it for everything that's in this box. Oh, that's the Fearless Familiar. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. What it looks like, nicer than the little. There's a tool kit, and this is the canvas. I think I'm gonna finish the bunny that I'm working on first. So this all will go back in that box just to keep it protected. So I'm not gonna do the unwrapping of the plastic thing to make it flat. Oh, it's a black kitty. So it's a black kitty, and there's some instructions, a thank you, and the stickers. The stickers which, because I only have one sorting kit right now with all the little bottles, I'm not going to have enough room now because I think I have 60 bottles. but I think my other kit is taking up 20 of them. So yeah, I would be short bottles. So I will do this one next. And then these are all the diamonds, or drills. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap this up again. I will show a close-up though, so 1 minute. So everything looks really clear. This is actually really nice. I know some of my other, the other painting that I have, the bunny, it's kind of hard to read a couple of the symbols because they look so close together. Like there's a R and a B, and they look like, I have to zoom in like this with my phone to see like what the heck they are, because I can't tell. So yeah. That looks really beautiful. Okay. And I'm hoping I didn't mess up any of my video. Complete noob to this. I have never... This is my second ever video, so this is going to be interesting. Any constructive criticism will be helpful. Maybe let me know if, like, the only like little ring light I have is like this big, and it's over there. So I don't want to like flash the camera because I don't want to blind everybody. But I may get another larger light because I never realized how dark this room seems to be, because like I'm always in it and I didn't notice that I always seem to be dark. So yeah, so that's this, and then I have the kit. Here we go. This little toolkit. So I'm curious. I don't think I'm gonna put this back in the box. I think I'm just gonna put the canvas back in. And, you know, who knows, maybe some of this stuff I can actually use. Oh my god, there's washi tape. Okay, so that's it for the bag. It comes with a plastic pen placer and 2 plastic nibs, which I don't really need because I bought one which is in my other video that has the metal tips, which I'm like so excited to use. This one I might hold on to though. And then there's wax and a little heart. There's plastic on top of here, so I'm guessing I just take that off. And then, oh yeah, there's 2. I wonder if I can move. But yeah, there's 2 hearts. And this is actually something new. I haven't seen the ones with the stopper before, but this one has a stopper on it. So I guess so when you're shaking, everything doesn't fall out. And then another tweezer, which I think I'm going to keep this one as my main tweezer. And I got a minder. I'll zoom in. If I can put the flash on. There we go. Okay, that's really zoomed in. That's cute. And then I have the washi tape, which looks like it's roses. it just looks like a bunch of roses and leaves. And then little baggies. It's a lot of little baggies. So I will probably do like a sped up version of setting this up once I'm done the other one, and I will kind of post it, do a little bit of a voiceover, because when you speed it up you sound like chipmunks. And then I will post that in my next video and then maybe start this one, and then I will have another video out that's going to show the after of the rabbit that I got. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.